Hey, this is Harmon of Drain Beast Plumbing and Septic. Another frequent asked question from our customers is, what is septic tank pumping? For starters, a septic tank is a tank that is getting all the sewage from your house into the tank. So what is pumping, you may ask? Pumping is supposed to be done every 3 to 5 years for your septic system. The reason why it's done every 3 to 5 years is you don't want to have too many solids into your septic tank. It's going to later on affect your drain field. So pumping it out in that 3 to 5 year mark is really important. We're trying to minimize the solids that are actually going out to the drain field. Here in the Pacific Northwest, if you didn't know already, 40% of homes are on septic. If your septic system needs to be pumped, call Drain Beast Plumbing and Septic. We're happy to help.